And simultaneously it's from those results, that we've also found the proper design, for the needed connections across the structure. Design which worth mentioning, is within the specified safety coefficients. For instance, and if we go to the Results tab, we'll find not just the respective calculation report, but the resultant safety coefficient for this particular connection. And which again, it's far below the ratio established by the design code. So, let's go ahead, and obtain the first connection for this frame. Here we've then the properties and different configuration settings for the design of this connection. So, and to begin with, in this first area, we find the general description of the type of connection we've obtained.